Hi all, welcome to another quick video. This is how to reset your soundbar. In my case it is JukeBar 9900. You can give it a try in your specific models as well. It is fairly simple. All you have to do is actually just press on your settings button for a couple of seconds until it shows V15. And before that I want to just show you, I have yet to reset. So I go to my settings, I'll just show you mic, right? My mic is at 0, right? And similarly my echo is at 0. What I'll do now is I'll just go back. I'll just press on the settings button. So all you have to do is, this is your settings button and you'll have to click on it for a couple of seconds. Now I'm just gonna hold on it. There you have it. Now your soundbar is reset. How do you verify if it is actually reset? You can just go back to your settings. Now in my case, I had my mic at 0. It has gone back to 6, which I'll have to go back and reduce it. So once you reset your soundbar, you will have to go back and disable your mic and echo. Just recheck if your vocal is on or off. Turn it to, it should be at off, and you can, your LED would have changed, your LED would have come to 1, so you'll have to put it back to 0 if you prefer that. And your sound settings should be changed. So in my case, now bass I usually keep it at 1, and treble I usually keep it at 3. 2 or 3 is fine. Your center I usually keep it at 3. Yeah, and I usually keep my surround at, I'm so sorry, my battery is low, so that's the reason, surround at 2. That's pretty much it. So this is how you reset your soundbar, and try it in your own home theater systems and let me know if you are facing any difficulties. I will see you all in another one.